Once in a small, dusty town where dreams often died before they even began, there lived 4 sisters named Anna, Grace, Lily, and Sophia. Their parents had passed away years ago, leaving them with nothing but a tiny broken cottage and a pile of debts. The villagers pitied them, but also whispered cruelly behind their backs, calling them cursed daughters who would never amount to anything. Anna, the eldest, worked as a maid, cleaning houses from sunrise to sunset, just to bring bread to the table. Grace stitched torn clothes for pennies, her hands often bleeding from the rough needles. Lily walked miles every morning to fetch water for neighbors, her shoulders bruised by the heavy pots, while Sophia, the youngest, only 12, tried selling flowers by the roadside. Their days were filled with hunger, their nights with tears. Yet inside their hearts burned a flame that refused to die. One stormy evening, as thunder shook the roof, and the sisters huddled together, sharing a single piece of bread. Anna looked at her sisters and said firmly, "We cannot keep living like this one day. People will stop pitying us and start respecting us. But for that, we must stand together, not complain together." Grace wiped her eyes and asked, "But how, Anna? We don't have education, money, or even strength." Anna paused, then said, "We may be poor, but we are not talentless. I have watched each of you, Lily. You have the patience of steel. Sophia, you have a voice that can make even birds stop to listen. Grace, your hands sew like magic. And I know how to lead. What if we start something of our own instead of begging others to save us?" Sophia's eyes sparkled with hope, but the others laughed softly. How can 4 poor sisters create anything the world wants? Anna smiled with quiet determination. You will see the world only mocks until you prove them wrong. The next morning, with nothing but courage, they began a small plan. Anna convinced the town's bake. Rita lent them leftover flour. Lily carefully shaped clay pots from the riverbank soil to cook. Grace sewed colorful cloth scraps into little hand-stitched bags. And Sophia sang sweet songs in the market to draw attention together. They opened a tiny stall selling fresh bread wrapped in Grace's handmade bags, with Sophia singing nearby to attract customers. At first, people laughed, saying, "Who will buy from these poor sisters?" But the aroma of bread, the beauty of the stitched bags, and the sweetness of Sophia's voice slowly pulled people closer. One brave customer finally tasted the bread and returned with praise. Soon another came, then another. Within weeks, the sisters saw a small line stretching across the market. Their teamwork became their magic. Anna baked with love. Grace added beauty with her designs. Lily crafted useful clay items on the side, while Sophia's voice turned their stall into a place of joy. Soon, people from neighboring villages began to arrive, and within months, the sisters turned their stall into a small shop, and within a year into a thriving bakery and boutique. Combined, their business spread far beyond the town. Now people traveled from far away to taste Anna's bread, buy Grace's unique designs, admire Lily's pots, and listen to Sophia sing. But their journey wasn't smooth. One night, a storm destroyed part of their shop, leaving them in tears. Yet instead of giving up, they worked all night, repairing what they could. And the very next day, they opened again stronger than before. Their resilience won the hearts of the villagers who once mocked them. People now said these sisters are proof that courage can rebuild anything. One day, the mayor himself came and said, "I want you four to represent our town at the Grand City Fair." The sisters could hardly believe it. The same people who once called them cursed now celebrated them with pride at the fair. They competed against wealthy business, season-famous brands, yet their stall stood out. The aroma of bread, the beauty of hand-stitched crafts, the charm of pottery, and Sophia's mesmerizing voice together created magic. They won first prize,